Meaning of Eli Whitney.
Eli Whitney.
Eli Whitney.
Eli Whitney.
Eli Whitney. Eli Whitney was an American inventor who was best known for inventing the cotton gin, a machine that revolutionized the cotton industry by significantly speeding up the process of separating cotton fibers from their seeds. Prior to the cotton gin's invention, this task was done by hand and was time-intensive and laborious. The invention of the cotton gin led to a significant increase in cotton production and made the South a major player in the global cotton industry. Whitney's invention also contributed to the growth of slavery in the United States.